ounces of cement, and we're about to put in 1 1/4 ounces of water and mix it up.
Come right here and shoot the scale. You can see the scale on there.
This is the mixing process.
0.7. I think it's safe to say that 0.7 is 0.3 water ratio.
By far. 0.5 is pretty wet.
3/8.
Cool.
1 3/8.
Okay. So what do you do, like? So what did you do? 3/8 of cement? 1 3/8. Yeah, or 1 3/8 of water. Right? Water. Yeah. And then 2 of cement. Okay.
0.3 water cement ratio is definitely sets up too fast. It's unworkable. You can't really pour it, and as you can see, it's really thick. Doesn't really pour real easily, and it sets up really fast. Okay. Next we used 0.4 water to cement ratio, and it came out a lot better. You can work with it a lot more. I would say soupier. You can definitely a lot more pourable. I think you'll be able to work with it a lot better than you can 0.3, and it's not set up quite as fast. It looks like it's taking about twice as long to set up, so it's definitely more workable than the 0.3 cement ratio. Okay. 0.5 cement to water ratio came out a little more viscous, it's a little more runny. While it's still runny, I think you can still work with it a lot better than 0.3. It might be a little too viscous for 0.4, depending on what type of job you use, but it's definitely more workable than 0.3, and it's real similar to 0.4. Okay, 0.6 water to cement ratio is really too high. It's too runny. It's almost like just a thick water. There's no consistency to it really. If there's any consistency, it's really minimal. You wouldn't be able to work with it, be able to hold it in place, and it would take a lot longer to set up and set whenever you do pour it. So 0.6 is probably a little too much. 0.7 cement to water ratio is, or water to cement ratio is unworkable. It's twice as runny as 0.6, which was too runny to begin with, and you can't really do anything with that cement. It just doesn't set up, doesn't hold its place at all. After doing all 5 of our cement paste samples, we came to the conclusion that 0.4 water cement ratio is going to be the best. You can, while it's still thick, it's workable. You can still, it's pourable. The viscosity of it is really good. However, 0.3 was way too low. As you can see, it's already almost set up since we made it, and 0.7, it's almost like a heavy liquid. There's not much consistency to it, and the viscosity level is really high, which is not good for pouring cement or mixing cement and concrete. So we choose 4. So we chose 4. 5, 6, 7 were too high, and 0.3 was too